Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys and welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, I have something that is absolutely revolutionary, guys. It's just game changing. I want to introduce you to the one and only uGenesys AI indicator, okay? So let me just give you a quick breakdown of today's video. So first I'm going to show you how to add the indicator to your chart, and then we're going to look at the key features of the indicator, and finally we're going to look at some considerations when using this indicator. Alright, just some things to keep in mind whenever you're trading with this indicator here. So let's go ahead and add the indicator to our chart. So let's go to Insert, Indicators, Custom, and then let's go down here to our uGenesys AI indicator, okay? Okay, so this is what it looks like whenever you add it to the chart, okay? So let's take a look over here at this section, and this section here allows us to see the overall trend of the market, alright, based on the colors in here. So this section over here is our uGenesys scanner, and this is what enables us to assess the market and let us know that we're in an uptrend right now, okay? Because this system here is powered by cutting-edge AI technology that uses time series analysis and genetic algorithms to accurately identify market trends and also provides reliable signals for when to buy or sell, okay? So right here is our uGenesys scanner, and so we know that we're in an uptrend because we see the different elements here in green. So first you can look up here, and this up here is our uGenesys scanner, and inside here where you see the AI, this section here is called the neurobrain. This is in green, okay? And right below that you can see these lines here. This is our volume section, and it's also green, and below that we also have this section here, our momentum, and it's also green. So this indicates that we are in the uptrend. Alright guys, and so over here is where we can see the intra trends. Alright, so we can see we have sections here where the candles are in blue, and also some other sections where the candles are in red. So the blue candles indicate the uptrend and the red candles indicate the downtrend. And you could also change the colors if you'd like, because it's fully customizable, okay? And so guys, even though we're seeing some downtrends here, we had already assessed from our uGenesys scanner that we are in the uptrend. The overall direction of the market is in an uptrend, okay? So therefore we'll be seeking to take buy positions in this case. Alright, so the strategy is, if we see a buy alert, for example right here, what we want to do in this case is to wait for this candle here to close, alright, this bar here to close, and then we'll enter on the next candle, okay? So you can set a take profit of 20 pips or 50 pips. It's really dependent on you and what you want to take from the market at that particular day, alright? Now another important thing to keep in mind is that you also need to know when to exit the market. So for example, if we took a buy position at this particular date here, the 30th of March, so we'd wait for this candle to close, then we go over here and take our buy position, and if you see the market continues to go up all the way up here, but then you reach here and you see that the color starts to change to red, alright, then that is an indication that we need to exit this buy entry here, because that means that the momentum has now shifted a bit, so therefore we need to exit at this point, okay? So that is my tip here for entering trades. So you always want to exit the trades if you see the color starting to change in the candles. So it's a pretty simple strategy, guys. So you first look at the overall trend over here from our uGenesys scanner, and then you take a look at the market here for confirmation. So now risk to reward ratio is also very important, and you have to make sure you're risking the correct amount of stop loss versus the correct amount of pips for your take profit. So for example, if you set a stop loss of 25 pips, it's safe that you should aim for 50 pips for your take profit. So that way, if you do lose, you'll be okay. But if you do win, you'll have 50 pips. So you'll be in more profit there. So I hope you get that, okay? So having a very good risk to reward ratio is very key. You can see our indicator is very easy to use, and it's very beginner friendly. Now here's something to look out for, okay? So sometimes some people might say that they have a situation on the chart where there are some candles, but they don't have the colors, the red and blue colors there of the indicator. So they just have the candles here with the standard colors, in this case the green candles here. Well, they don't have any red or blue colors with the alerts, and the reason for this is because the indicator is very intensive for the MT4 and MT5 platform, so it does take a while for all the information from your terminal to be downloaded and expressed in our indicator, especially from the more previous dates, because you see our indicator actually has 20 different indicators built into one combination. So as you can imagine, it requires a lot of data, guys. So this issue happens especially on the smaller time frames, for example the 30-minute or sometimes the 15-minute time frame, but it's usually very simple with the higher time frames like the 1 hour and the 4-hour time frames there. Okay, you usually won't have that issue at all because these time frames don't require that much data. Okay, but it sometimes occurs with the lower time frames, but just know that the indicator is working perfectly normal. It's perfectly fine. All right, it just takes some time to load all of that data for the smaller time frames that require a lot more data for them. Okay, but the important thing is that with the most recent dates with the smaller time frames, you want to focus on what's happening in the market currently. Okay, and you should always see that you have the alerts there and the blue and red colors on your chart. Okay, so here you can see with this 30-minute time frame with the most recent date as of today's date, April the 4th, you can see we do have our blue candles and red candles. Let's also take a look at our 15-minute time frame. All right, the most recent date, we have all the information here with our most recent time here, and this is where you really want to be focusing on. Okay, and so there you have it, guys. That's an introduction to our super amazing indicator here, our uGenesys AI indicator. So to get this indicator, you can go ahead and click on the link below. All right, and thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.